How to update CarPlay on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your iPhone. Once you're here, scroll down until you find the General option and tap on it. Inside the General menu, tap on Software Update at the top. If your software is already up to date, a message will say iOS is up to date. However, if a new version is available, there will be a button under the Also Available section. Tap on it. To proceed with the update, tap on Update Now as shown. It will start updating your iPhone to a newer version along with CarPlay. Once the iOS update is complete, your CarPlay will also be updated to the latest available version. Go back to General section and tap on CarPlay to view the new updates and manage your connections. Keeping iOS updated ensures CarPlay has the latest features and security improvements. Following these steps, you can easily update CarPlay on an iPhone.